Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in heart of Summerlin, looking at this beautiful 2005 Toll Brothers built 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. You're looking at 1,962 square feet in size. The price is $745,000. It's a great mature gated community in heart of Summerlin. Your HOA is $330 per month with additional $60 monthly for Summerlin Association fee. So a little shy of $400. This is a great cul-de-sac with no house attached. As you come in, you have this open, beautiful living area. I definitely love this window and the lighting and the matured backyard. So this is the kitchen. That's the island. Not as big, but still definitely cute. And let's see, this window, I believe it looks out to the shared driveway. So it's definitely like different layout for single family. And then you have your wine cooler, half bathroom downstairs with the toilet, and then your coat closet. But then they definitely did something different that I haven't seen. They have the water, I guess, filtration system hooked up to here. So I guess you can have your water. And then the stairs going up to the second floor where the bedrooms are. It's a quiet, beautiful neighborhood. It's definitely gated. And you're very much close to Mount Charleston, Red Rock, Downtown Summerlin. Look at those beautiful mountain view. And this way you have your laundry room. I really like having windows in your laundry for ventilation. That's definitely a plus for me. And then you have your bedrooms on this side. So that's the alleyway. So this is right above the garage, the 2-car garage. And this is a shared Jack and Jill bathroom, dual vanity. And you have these, multi-spring shower heads. I haven't actually used these. Very interesting. And then the beautiful tiles, I call them, it's travertine. And then you have the connecting bedroom that shares the Jack and Jill. Back out to the laundry. And this is your flex space. You can do entertaining area. You can put like a little desk for your office. Love the window. Natural lighting is always a plus. And then this is your primary. So they have the TV mount and then more windows, but you have privacy. And this is the cul-de-sac. So you're not like at the end of the cul-de-sac, so that house would be considered like the end, but you're like still within the cul-de-sac, so you do have that sense of privacy. And there's a lot of street parking, so that's always good. And you see the desert foothill and Sahara intersection right behind you. So location is definitely a plus. And then this is the primary bathroom with the closet. They have a little corner space. I guess you can use this. I haven't really seen this. This is pretty new too for me. I guess these are like the early 2000 style of the closet. I guess you can put your bags or shoes if you want to put shoes inside your closet. But yeah, this is pretty cute too because I like that they have the lighting so it's not as dark. And then your, I guess, coats could go in here. Dual vanity that matches the other Jack and Jill walk-in shower. It has a big open window, but they have the half covered. So you definitely have that sense of privacy with natural lighting. So that's great. So overall, it seems like you are a little bit closer to your neighbors, even though you're not really attached to them. But you can definitely, you know, have your drapes down like they do. It looks like everyone has their shades down. I mean, it is hot right now. Right now it's like, we're looking at what, 117? We've been having heat waves for past 2 weeks. So it's hot in Vegas. But yeah, this is a very good neighborhood, I would say. It's your fireplace. It's connected to the gas. And this is a very cute home. All right. If you have any questions about this home, or if this is not for you, we can definitely find you something else. If you're looking to relocate to Las Vegas, definitely reach out. If you know someone who's thinking about it, definitely let them know. And I'll see you on our next tour. Bye everyone. Stay cool and stay hydrated. It's hot.